Hey guys, this is Miss Hendry. All right, so we're going to look at our letters and sounds, page 19, and we are reviewing or we're going to practice tracing our letter D for today. Because remember, we talked about Miss Hendry was playing with the dog in the yard, and the doggy started digging, and he put dirt all over Miss Hendry, and it got all over her. So, for our dog friend who is digging in the dirt. D, d. All right, so let's look at our letter D. The uppercase D is a pull down with a big belly. Our lowercase d is a ball and it goes up with a pull down. All right, and so what's funny about the letter D, the lowercase d kind of looks like a B. So let's look. The lowercase b is a pull down with a ball in the front, and then the lowercase c is a ball and goes up and around. All right, so look at these. Miss Hendry likes to say that the B has a big belly out front, and the D has a big diaper in the back. Surely we can remember that, right? All right, sweet friends. So our letter D with the diaper in the back says D, D, D. Bye, guys. Keep practicing your D.